बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनु आमिनु बिल्लाहि व रसूलिही फ़ी मुक़ाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला वल अस्र इन्नल इंसान लफ़ी खुस्र इल्लल्लज़ीना आमनु व अमिलुस्सालिहाति व तवासौ बिल हक़्क़ि व तवासौ बिस्सब्र। क़ाल नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बल्लिग़ू अन्नी वलौ आया सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My most respected brothers and Molana, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's first of all bring our hearts and our mind in the state of ashukr. The highest blessing any human being and jinn can enjoy is the blessing of iman. The highest blessing is a blessing of iman. I will add the word correct iman, because sometimes certain people, may Allah guide them, they don't believe the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet. They are not Muslim. So we should have correct belief in la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should do shukr on that. We born in Muslimah mother lap. We did not pay any price for that. That's why we don't value it. We will see in the day of judgment, Yawm Hisab, when kuffar will be sent to the Jahannam without any account. Go to Jahannam, khalidina fiha. But we Muslim, alhamdulillah, then, mashallah, if we are free from the sins, straight Jannah. But if some sins are left over or pending, we might have go to Jahannam for a while to clean our dirty soul with the dirt of the sins. Yaz billah, may Allah save us. Alhamdulillah, month of Ramadan coming. The month of spiritual shower. Month of Ramadan is a month of spiritual shower. We should feel proud and happy that Ramadan coming to clean our soul. To clean our soul. We all came from Jannah. Now going back after death, why we are here? Our souls were living in Alme Arwah, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought us over here. Why? Tabarakalladhi biyadihil mulk wa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Alladhi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsan amala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had brought us over here to test us. Who does good deed, good aamal. Two things are very important. Iman and aamal. Iman only is not enough. Iman is not only enough. Of course, iman is the key to the paradise. Iman, faith, correct faith. You know correct faith? Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi minallahi ta'ala wal ba'si ba'dal maut. Understand? Iman mufassal and iman mujmal. This is the correct iman. We have to believe in all these ingredients of iman. Who die with iman, inshallah, he will, this iman go to Jannah. This iman is the key to the paradise. You know, every key has teeth. Yes or no? Every key has teeth. If teeth are bad, you cannot open the door easily, correct? In the same way, if our aamal are bad, we don't make salat, some we make, some we don't make it. We are nasty to the friends, nasty to the parents. We don't obey the teacher. We don't go to the masjid. We don't read Quran. So these teeth are bad. So you cannot open the door of Jannah easily, which we don't want it. Therefore, we have to get the key of iman and good aamal. Therefore, sometime we should make shukr, 2 rakat nafal shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on what you gave the ni'mat, a blessing of iman. Wala in shakartum la azidannakum. If we do shukr on any blessing, do shukr on any gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will increase that ni'mat. You understand? You want to increase something? You want to become more rich? Look at me, look at me. If you become more rich, what you? Become good professional. Yes or no? Be honest. Pay the zakat. And obey the daddy, mommy. If you want long life, obey dad and mom. You will get long life. Allah will be happy with you. So this is very important thing. First, we have to keep up our iman intact. Therefore, we should make dua, Ya Allah, keep up my iman. We should make dua, Ya Allah, give me last breath with iman. Allahumma arzuqni husn al-khatima. Oh Allah, bless me the rizq of the iman. Very important. Now, we have to do aamal also. 5 times salat, 5 hajj, zakat, fasting, bir bil walidain, nice to the parents, nice to the friend, nice to the neighborhood, good ikhlaq, right? All these are necessary to keep iman up. Every good deed increase iman. Every bad deed decrease iman. By making dua, iman increase. Going in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, increase iman. Talking about greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, increase iman. Listening about the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, decrease iman. Recitation of Quran, increase iman. You read the meaning of Quran, increase the iman. If we put into practice what Quran says, increase the iman. Give dawah bil Quran, increase iman. Understand? This increase iman. So many ways. Sadaqah. By giving sadaqah, iman increase. Go to hajj. Go Khana Kaaba. Your iman will increase, boost up. Stay in Masjid Nabawi. Stay in the company of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Your iman boost up. Live with the company of the ulama karam. In iman increase. You understand clear? And we have to do also aamal. The first amal we have to do 5 times salat. All aamal came on the earth, but the gift of salat was given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the Miraj. That's why it is reported, as-salatu mirajul mu'minin. Salat is a miraj. When we go in the sajda, we are talking to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you go to sajda, it's a miraj of the movement. Make sure we make 5 times salat regularly in time. That is only possible if you sleep. Look at me. I don't know the top. This is a class. It's not a lecture. So 5 times salat. Listen, before doing any amal, before driving the car, you should learn how to drive. Before making salat, we should learn how to make salat. So learn how to make salat. Learn salat. Learn the wording of the salat. Learn the meaning of the salat. Understand? All surah what we read in the salat, actually 10 surah or more surahs, we should know the meaning of the surahs, tafsir of the surah. Then you will enjoy the salat, right? And make the salat with local speed. You know local speed? We make a highway speed. No? Up and down, up and down, up and down, go. Because I have to play. Playing is very good. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved that moment who is stronger. You were playing the night time, I was feeling very happy. Understand? Play is good, because good for physical health. Good sound body has sound mind, correct? Sound body has a sound mind. But also body has good spirit, ruh also, spiritual. For spirituality, we have to follow deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are made of 2 things, right? Body and a soul. What 2 things? Bolo bhai. Body and a soul. The ruh, the soul of the ruh is the zikr Allah. Soul of the ruh, iman. Soul of the ruh is good deed, correct? So therefore, we should always learn how to make salat 5 times, wherever we are. Let me tell you, we need ilm. The first ayat of Quran, which was revealed through Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was Iqra. You know that. Iqra, bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. The first ayat of Quran was revealed, Iqra, bismi rabbika, about ilm. Ilm is the prerequisite of every amal. Therefore, you should also attend the Islamic classes. You hearing me? Where are available? I don't know program over here. Attend Islamic classes. Along with the elementary school, high school, right? You should learn also Islam. Then you can practice Islam. Understand? In the day of Qiyamah, Ulama Karam will be sitting on the chair behind the Anbiya chair. But Anbiya will have a crown of Nabuwa, but Ulama Karam will not have, but they were sitting in the same area. Then our ikhlaq, be nice to the daddy, be nice to the mommy. Ar-raza'ur Rabb, fi raza'ul walid. Ar-sakhtul Rabb, fi sakhtul walid. If daddy is happy, Allah is happy. Are you hearing me or not? If daddy is happy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy. Mommy is happy, Allah is happy. If dad is angry, Allah is angry. You hearing me? Therefore, from today when you go home, make sure you are pleased with mom and dad. And I will give you homework that every Friday, ask your mom and dad, Mom, are you happy with me? Dad, are you happy with me? I'm a good boy. And your dad and mom are very honest. Very honest. Yes, you are very good, but this area you fix it. Love Muslim brother. Love non-Muslim people also. Why? Make dua for them. Ya Allah, give them hidayat, they go to Jannah also. Inshallah. No playing with the carpet. Listen to me, this is a class. I am teacher. So let me tell you, the highest, the more weight in the mizan, in the day of Qiyamah, on the balance, more weight will be good ikhlaq, good character. Give smile. Smile is a sadaqah. When you enter home, give smile to your wife. Why not? It's free. It's a sadaqah. No, don't enter home. Husband should not enter home as an inspector. No. Give smile each other. Free sadaqah. Allah SWT loves those people who smile. Understand? Don't be too serious. Serious is a time of seriousness. Not always smiling. You understand? The person who smiles, he's a shakir. Shakir means he's thanks giving to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, I thank you very much. This is shakir. And then whatever you do, listen very carefully. Before starting any amal, check your intention. Why I am doing it. I take 5 minutes more. Why I am doing it? We should do everything to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Good? When Allah is happy, mommy will be happy, daddy will be happy, friends will be happy, community will be happy. You do everything to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah. And before starting any amal, say what? Come on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before starting any amal. Of course, when you have in the mind, I have to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, you cannot start bad thing. Right? It will stop you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, even before starting play. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the barakat, blessing of the Bismillah, Allah's help will be with you. If you eat the food with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, what will happen? That food will become shifa for you, healthful for you. It will give you good health. Otherwise, shaitan will eat with you and that food will not be helpful to your health. You may get sick. Because when we say Bismillah, the name of Allah going also in the stomach, in the mind, then what will happen? The name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all barakat are there. Yes or no? Right? Always say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The person who does not say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, he is arrogant. Mean what? He thinks, I don't need Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help. How can he survive? We cannot survive 1 second without the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So always remember Bismillah, especially food time. Sometimes I forget. I tell my family, please say loudly. At home when you eat food or anywhere, say loudly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The person like me who forget, like you who forget, they will remember also. Yes or no? Right? Say Bismillah with a voice. The whole family should say. Tell your mom, when she cook the food, she do zikr Allah. Tell the mommy, or brother sitting, they tell your wife, she does zikr Allah when cook the food. Cut the onion, say Bismillah. When the food cooked by what? Zikr Allah, that food will increase, MashaAllah, in your iman. This will be very spiritually helpful to you. It will be shifa for you for a lot of diseases. It will be digestible, good for your health. You understand? And after eating food, alhamdulillah. So these are few things I'm telling you. Please love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Love Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Love the parents. Love the masjid. Love the Quran. Love your fellow brother and sister. love mommy, daddy. You understand? And what I told before, you please try to follow 5 times salat is must. Learn the Quran. Read the meaning of Quran. Learn the tafsir of Quran. Put practice Quran. And Ramadan coming is Shahr or Ramadan. The Ramadan coming, behave beautifully in the Ramadan. Try to be fasting in the Ramadan. You understand my point? Try to fast in Ramadan. If you can, do. Not, you are very small. If how much you can do it. And in the Ramadan, listen Tarawih. 20 Tarawih. Listen Tarawih. MashaAllah. It boosts up your iman. Good? And enjoy and learn. Ramadan, inshallah, will give you very pure, sweet life, full of good deed. We have to do fasting not of the stomach. We have to do fasting of the eyes also. We have to do fasting of the ear also. We have fasting of the hands also. Fasting of the eyes, not to look any bad thing, right? Fasting of the ear, not hear anything bad thing. Fasting of the tongue, no backbiting, no bad word speaking. But instead of that, recitation of Quran, listening of Quran, Tarawih. Yes, inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and sometimes should go in the path of Allah. The Jamaat go over here sometime, go in the path of Allah and learn. Inshallah, wa akhir da'wana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Mubarak. If you have any questions.